Kelly, and I'm filming really late at night, so yeah. Anyway, I did this makeup tutorial, which is inspired by Rocio. I can't pronounce your last name, I'm sorry. I'll link her channel in the description. So give the video a big thumbs up if you like and subscribe for more. And yeah, let's go with the video. So first up, going into my Shane Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this blue color, and I'm starting by working it into my crease. Now going into my Kylie Cosmetics purple palette, I'm taking this shade, which I believe is, oh, it's lilac, and I'm gonna work it above where we put the blue. You want to take small amounts at a time, or else it'll be like way too much at once. Going back into that blue, I'm gonna put a little bit more just because the purple kind of washed it out. With this mermaid brush, I'm just gonna blend everything out because I look literally crazy right now. Using some Too Faced Born This Way concealer and making like a triangle for my halo. Using the Shiny 24 brush, I'm going into the NYX Duo Chromatic highlighter, and I'm putting that in the center of my lid and then in the inner corner. Going back into the blue, I'm going to try and make the halo part a little more triangle shaped. My mom chooses now to vacuum, but it's cool. It's cool, it's fine. So I popped on some lashes. These are the Lee lashes, and I believe Lila. Now moving on to primer, I'm taking the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I'm taking it on a silly sponge because I'm much lazy to wash my hands. That's so gross, but it's true. And I'm just applying it to my face the Instagram way. I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This has been a favorite of mine forever. I love it. It's like holy grail next to the Huda Beauty and the Fenty Beauty foundations. Concealer today, I want a bit more coverage, so I'm going with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and use the MAC contour stick and contour my face before powder, because technically you're supposed to do that, so. I'm gonna be spritzing my face using some City Color primer spray, then blending it out using my beauty blender. Using the Absolute HD Flawless. While I let this settle in, I'm going to blend out my contour using the Morphe Contour and Bronzer palette. I like to use a bronzer to blend in my contour just because it gives it that airbrushed finish. Sweep off the powder that we used to bake. For highlighter today, I'm going to start off, whoa, gotta get my brush, sorry. I'm going to be starting off by putting a base of the Kylie Cosmetics purple palette in Periwinkle, the shade, and I'm going to top it off with the NYX Duo Chromatics, and it gives like that strobing effect. I'm a legit highlighter addict. I'm going to take some Anastasia Amrezy, and I'm going to top it all off with that. For lips, I'm going to start off by lining my lips using the Kiss Perfect Precision Lip Liner, and then top it off with a nude lipstick. This is the Too Faced lipstick and Naked Doll. video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye!